So that's why this concept called aparad means that which displeases, makes someone unhappy, or makes someone uncomfortable. That's called aparad. Aparadha, against the pleasure, against the happiness. So it's not so much, it's not even speaking loudly, or it's not even being angry at another devotee. It's the attitude, it's the bhav, it's the feeling that determines, is this aparad or is this not aparad? Even he might yell at the devotee, hey, why are you stupid, you did like this? You may even slap. But not out of envy, not out of hatred. So it's not an aparad. So this attitude is very important. That so when you're grateful, then the next feeling that comes is respect. You're very respectful. Trinadapi sunichena taroriva sahishna amanina amanidena kirtaniya sadari. Amanidena, man adena, man. You show respect to others. So you're very respectful to the Brijvasis. They're very fortunate, and you're respectful. You're grateful, you're respectful. And then your other mood is a mood of, because Vrindavan is a mood of, you develop a mood of tolerance. Tolerance that, okay, whatever happens, whatever is happening, or whatever happens to me, is a small price to pay for the great privilege and fortune of living in Vrindavan and doing bhajan in Vrindavan. In our Shastras, I can't quote the exact verse, but there are verses that say if you live in Vrindavan and do bhakti, japa, kirtan, Shastra study, hearing Harikatha, Brikama, Tulsi Puja, Darshan, many limbs and activities of bhakti. If you do bhakti in Vrindavan, you get 100 times increased benefit.